What's up, guys? So basically, I know I made the last video which you saw, which I premiered right after. Yeah, I posted that like right before this one. So after I post this one, you're gonna see what I made this video for. So basically, it's like nighttime right now. It's like past 9 or something. So yeah. So basically, if you're wondering where you have to like give the money in, like for the fundraiser for the rebuild of that mosque. That one, yeah. It's right here. So since the mosque are closed, so they kept it in the parking lot. So they kept it right there. They're sitting right there. So basically, they got like 2-3 boxes, so you could like, yeah. So yeah, so yeah, basically, yeah. So they got like that. Alright, so let me just ask them about the thing, like when it's toe and stuff. Yeah.
So you get back? They make you come back.
Yeah. So basically, this is till 11, right?
Yes, inshallah.
Yeah. So guys, it's till 11.
All right. Facebook Live-in? MashaAllah, Allahumma barik.
Yeah, like I saw people coming here, so yeah.
Alhamdulillah. Yo, bring them all. MashaAllah, you're doing a great job.
Sure.
MashaAllah. Allahumma barik. We're here. We're not going nowhere. We need the money. We need the help.
Yeah.
The masjid needs to get built, inshallah.
Yeah, inshallah.
Binay barik. What's your name?
Omar.
Omar? Amin. MashaAllah.
Inshallah.
Binay barik, man. That's great to hear.
Yeah. See you later.
Mash, inshallah. All right. Stick around if you want. I can get a chair for you. Hey, we're not doing anything.
Yeah, we're gonna pray Tawheed.
Oh, okay. Inshallah.
Yeah.
All right then.
Salam.
Go ahead, brother. Assalamu alaikum.
Salam. So yeah, you just heard that, and yeah, pretty much. So yeah, that was it. So if you wanna like donate for the rebuilding, you can just go like right there, which I showed you, and should be